nothing. Today, we're fixing my climate control system. I'm tired of wearing this jacket. All right, we're inside Ant's community garage. This is a midget. Pretty cool. Got a nice little waiting area here. If you're tired of working on your car. They said most of this is from a Civic. And then we got the LS out here. See if he'll make it in. I can get out? Okay. Can you push me out? Yeah. Okay. I'm just kidding. It should get out. I've done some pretty bad speed bumps. Alright, we're good. Guys, so I'm inside here at Ant's Community Garage. We got Otis over here giving me a quick tour. We're gonna look at some of the cars in here before we work on the LS. So it looks like we have a Lotus Spirit here, pretty sick. Look at this thing, looks like a wedge. That is cool. And I think my second favorite is the Supra. Got a 3rd gen Mark III Supra here. Oh yeah, dude. I was gonna ask you about this. This is a high ace? Yeah. Oh man. Wait, whose is this? Is this the owner's or?
It's the same guy that owns this Willie.
Okay, got Willie here too. Dang. VIP customer.
Yeah, I think he's a friend of the boss.
Nice. Well, thanks for showing me, man. Got off eBay. I'll show you guys the part number here in a bit. So right now my AC and my heat is not working. We're gonna change it out so that way I can stop wearing that jacket that you just saw me wearing, that puffy. Pins are all there, so fingers crossed this is gonna work. All right, the panel's then gonna drop. Ooh, it's pretty nasty. You're gonna wanna disconnect this light in the footwell. I also went ahead and removed two 10mm to this lower airbag. It's gonna give us more room. It's your knee airbag. Oh nice, these are ratcheting. So I believe it's a 10mm. Bonus that this is a ratcheting wrench. And remove the side trim here, it just pops off. Not gonna hurt anything. Make sure you keep all your tabs. And we can finally drop this lower airbag once we get this other 10mm out. Airbag's dropped. It's 3 10mm, one on that side, 2 on this side. After you pop off that panel, I'm just getting the 10 or the 8mm out right now. So I stand corrected, they are both 8mm. This is definitely the way to go with a ratcheting spanner wrench. You can see the bolt that I'm working on over there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got her. It's not bolted in yet, so I'm just snapping it in just to make sure everything works. Plugs can only go in one way, so can't really mess this up. All right, we're gonna test it. All right, so as you can see, I have working climate control again. Fantastic. Here at the gas station, I am no longer freezing. I can't think of a more fitting song since we've successfully completed the module. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys at the next video.